everyone, are you looking for a hole saw that provide fast and clean cut? Meron yan dito sa KDG Tools. Want to know more about our TCT and HSS hole saw? Please keep on watching.
Tungsten Carbide Teeth, also known as TCT hole saws, provide a fast and clean cut most suitable for steel, stainless, aluminum, and brass. High-speed steel, known as HSS hole saw, is suitable with a wide range of materials from steel, stainless, aluminum, and brass, and it also demonstrates outstanding ease of use.
Here at KDG Tools, we provide a high-quality product for your needs. Again, I'm Pauline from KDG Tools and Equipment. See you in our next video!